Chequered with woven shadows as I lay among the grass, blinking the watery gleam. I saw an echo spirit in his bay, most idly floating in the noontide beam. Slow heaved his filmy skiff and fell this way of ocean's giant pulsing and the dream. Buoyed like the young moon on a level stream of greenish vapor at decline the day. Swam airily, watching the distant flocks of seagulls whilst afoot in careless sweep. Touched the clear trembling cool of tiny shocks, faint circling till at last he dropped to sleep. Lulled by the hushed song of the glittering deep, lapping drowsily the heated rocks. Chequered with woven shadows as I lay among the grass, blinking the watery gleam. I saw an echo spirit in his bay, most idly floating in the noontide beam. Slow heaved his filmy skiff and fell this way of ocean's giant pulsing and the dream. Buoyed like the young moon on a level stream of greenish vapor at decline a day. Swam merrily, watching the distant flocks of seagulls whilst afoot in careless sweep. Touched the clear trembling cool with tiny shocks, faint circling till at last he dropped to sleep. Lulled by the hushed song